Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today is another episode for the culinary expedition, and we're not going too far. We're staying here in the United States. Did a bunch of research, asked a lot of questions of people. It was hard to come up with basically two problems I had. Finding cuisine or dishes that are original to the United States, and the second is to find dishes that I have not prepared. So today I'm going to prepare creamy chicken succotash. Let's get to it. We're going to start off with some chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. I've already salted and peppered them. And we're just going to brown them. Now I'm going to add onion, red bell pepper, and garlic. And we're just going to talk. Now that this stage of the game is ready to go, we're going to add corn, lima beans that were pre-cooked, well, par-cooked, tomato, hot sauce, we'll give this a stir. I'm going to add some cream. And some butter for some richness. Now that it's at a basic simmer, I'm going to put it at about a medium-low, low-medium, and we're going to simmer it for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. Let's take a look. Ah, yummy. The last item we're going to add is bacon. Gotta love me some bacon. And this meal, and here's the creamy chicken succotash in the brazier. On to the next step. And here's the final presentation of the creamy chicken succotash. Served over cornbread. Yummy. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you liked this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Have fun cooking.